Postpartum depression is real, hindi ito kaartehan. Nakakalungkot na maraming mister ang hindi naniniwala sa postpartum depression. Some even go as far as calling their wives maarte or overreacting. Hindi nila naiintindihan na this is not just about mood swings or pagiging sensitive. It's a serious condition na nararanasan ng maraming kababaihan after giving birth. And it needs understanding and support, not judgment. Imagine this. Your wife carried your child for 9 months, went through the pain of labor, and now she's adjusting to sleepless nights and the pressure of motherhood. Pero sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, hindi mo man lang maibigay ang kaunting pasensya at pagmamahal? Hindi nila sinasabi, yan para magdrama. They're asking for help because they're struggling. Kaya sa lahat ng Mr. Jan, take the time to listen and learn. Hindi ka mahina kapag nagpapakita ka ng empathy. In fact, mas nagiging matatag ang relasyon kapag pareho kayong nagkakaintindihan. Let's break the stigma. Postpartum depression is real, and our wives need us now more than ever. Anong masasabi mo? Comment below and follow for more. Kanor Stories. Maraming salamat.